Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future with 4 AI bots that can help you make money online in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these AI tools can seriously amp up your earning potential. We're not talking about replacing your job, but instead using these tools to work smarter, not harder. So if you're ready to unlock some serious earning potential, let's get started. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT. This AI language model is like having a super-powered writing assistant available 24/7. Imagine automating your customer support with a chatbot that can answer questions, resolve issues, and even upsell products, all while you're off enjoying your day. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling ad copy, generate targeted landing pages, and even analyze your marketing data to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. It's like having a whole marketing team at your fingertips, all for a fraction of the cost. And the best part? ChatGPT is constantly learning and evolving, getting smarter and more powerful every single day. So if you're serious about boosting your income in 2025 and beyond, ChatGPT is an AI bot you absolutely need to have in your arsenal. Next up, we have Jasper AI, another powerful writing assistant that can help you turn words into cold hard cash. Think of Jasper as your personal content creation machine. Need a 1,500-word blog post on the latest tech gadgets? No problem, Jasper can whip that up in a flash. Jasper is incredibly good at creating marketing copy that converts. We're talking about sales pages, email sequences, Facebook ads, you name it. So whether you're looking to monetize a blog, sell information products, or simply drive more sales to your existing business, Jasper AI can be the secret sauce that takes your content and your income to the next level. Now let's talk about Copy.ai, an AI-powered copywriting tool that can help you sell like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Need to write product descriptions that make people want to hit the Add to Cart button? Copy.ai can analyze your product and generate descriptions that highlight its key features and benefits. Struggling to write engaging ad copy that actually converts? Copy.ai can help you craft attention-grabbing headlines and body copy that compels people to take action. And the best part, Copy.ai integrates seamlessly with other tools you might be using, like your email marketing platform or social media scheduler, making it super easy to implement and start seeing results. So if you're tired of staring at a blank page, or you're just not seeing the results you want from your copy, then Copy.ai is definitely worth checking out. Finally, let's talk about Synthesia, an AI video creation platform that's going to revolutionize the way you create content. This incredible tool lets you create professional-looking videos with AI avatars without needing any fancy equipment or video editing skills. Imagine being able to create engaging explainer videos for your products, captivating social media content, or even entire video courses, all with the help of AI. And because Synthesia is so easy to use, you can create more videos in less time, which means more content, more engagement, and ultimately, more money in your pocket. So, if you're ready to level up your video marketing game, Synthesia is the AI tool you need to check out. That's the power of Synthesia. And there you have it, 4 incredible AI bots that can help you make money online in 2025. As AI technology continues to evolve, we're only going to see even more innovative and lucrative ways to use it to our advantage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.